so much fun. I've had a great time.
My weekend's been great, dude. Everybody's feeling good, excited about overlanding, getting some good stories about good trips.
The learning stations have been just wonderful. We really appreciated it. And we did the off-road training on Thursday. So I was able to take my Jeep out. I learned things. It was fantastic.
Welcome to Women Who Wander. It's our first anniversary of Women Who Wander, actually. Whoop, whoop.
Honestly, anybody can say that they work in a good industry, but we work in the best industry.